My name's Ellis. I'm the head groundsman of Hutcheson Grammer School, and today we're at one of our 5 sites, which is Hutcheson's at Pellenc Park, or HAP for short. I hadn't heard of Pellenc until Agravista came to see me, and then we were just talking about what bits of machinery we used, and then I asked for a demo, and I got a demo. And because Hutcheson Grammer is an eco-friendly school, where I always had in the back of my mind of looking down the electrical route. The things that really impressed me were, again, we're a secondary independent private school, and the thing about it is exam time. You can't use like 2-stroke machines for the noise level. The noise level for these is fairly minimum, and you don't need to wear head protection either for yourself, no vibrations, so it just worked out really well. But I say, because the school's eco-friendly, we're not using fuel, we're not mixing fuel, we're saving energy, we're saving costs. Following on from the demo, the first thing we purchased was a blower and a strimmer and the lawnmower. And the lawnmower, I think, surpassed itself completely. We cut huge banks, especially here, steep banks. We used to use a big machine, which doesn't do much good if the oil's tipping back and forward. The electric lawnmower, really light, turns in a sixpence, and it's just, I can't say enough about the lawnmower, to be honest. It's just so much better. The thing they've all got in common is they've all got different settings, and it's a very good from low, so you can blow, like if you use the blower on this site, there's some areas with stones, so you can actually blow the grass off the stones, and if you use the low setting, it actually doesn't take the stones and blow the stones everywhere, but it's a bit harder to work on a 2-stroke machine because the trigger's a bit up and down, there's more control. Another good thing about the blower is it's got 4 settings, and it's also got a boost that boosts it even more. And it's the same with the lawnmower, again 4 settings for the cutting. It's also got 4 settings for the pace that you walk at. And I hate to say, if you put it onto 4, you actually end up running with it. It's that fast. The other good thing about the lawnmower is the wheels in the front. It's like a 0 turn compared to the old days. You had to tip the mower, walk around with it and turn it. Really good. Again, the strimmer, different settings. You get more control with the actual trigger on it. Really, really good. Again, the good thing about it is because we're across 5 sites, the mower is really light and we can lift it no problem going in and out in the back of the van, compared to the old mowers, really heavy. Big thing is the fuel savings now, especially with the cost of fuel now going up through the roof. The batteries don't take that much to charge. We're not mixing fuels and all that. I say we're not transporting the fuel, that's a big thing. Transporting the fuel in the car, in the vans, isn't the best thing to be doing. Vibration wise, you really don't feel you've got it on it. And the other thing about the machines, the harnesses are actually really good on the blower and the strimmer. When they're actually on your back, they feel as though they're a lot lighter, not a lot, but they're lighter than the equivalent. The other thing about it is I stay in Scotland. They're really good. The amount of rain we have here, not got an issue. They work away, no chance of getting an electric shock or anything off this stuff. Well, battery life is actually really good. We've got 1200 and we've got a 15, and we've never ran out during the day. I can't talk highly enough. We've had Pellenc for the last 6 months, and to me it's made a huge difference to our sites, made our job easier. As I say, I can't recommend it enough. The other good thing about the Pellenc is the warranty on it. I think it's 4 years on batteries, and the machinery itself is a 3-year warranty. So I can't recommend it enough for what I've used it in the last 6 months. In fact, I'm looking to I'll be purchasing more this year.